Action.
Hi, here again, Mr. Science with Super Science Box number 2. So, doing bubbles. Bubbles are like as much fun as the kids can have in school. So it's a really fun thing. When I do bubbles, I do the science of light. So when I say, I started out and say, what is light? And what are the sources of light? I say I've got I like lights here, bike lights, all kinds of fun lights, lasers. I don't know if that's did that show up? I don't know. So shine it on yourself. These are really cool. You can get a bunch of lights, but the most, you don't want to shine these in anybody's eyes. But when you get the bubbles in the box, you'll get bubble stuff, which you pour into the bottle, mixed with water. Gives you heaps of bubble stuff. For the kids, you get the blowers. Okay, so these are the blowers. Make sure blow from that side, and cups. Plenty of cups. So the first thing I get the kids to do is just to blow the bubble. Okay, cool. And the thing is, I get them to flick it off. Okay, so that's it. You can catch it again. It's really quite fun. You can have lots of fun with bubbles. So this could go on. This could take a long time. You could have the whole afternoon with bubbles. You go outside, blow monster bubbles, catch bubbles. So you can look at the light. So I look at the when I say light. So the sun. How do we know that light is color? So I call light color. And I get the kids. So what is light? For me in science, light is color. And how do you know it's color? Because when say you have the sun, which is our main source of light, and then you've got like a drizzle or rain clouds, and then you get a rainbow. So that shows you that light is color. And to look at the colors of light, we flick it off, and then you can hold it, and you can see the colors of the light swirling around. This is quite fun. You can catch the bubbles. You can play with them. You can bounce them around. Find out why it pops and why it doesn't pop, which is always pretty good. So also, in the teacher materials, you'll see nature of science. We're talking about investigating, looking at why bubbles pop, why they don't pop, how big you can make them, those kind of things. Physics. This is a physics kind of lesson, also in the breaking up the colors, breaking up light into its colors, let's say, of the rainbow. Then we do measurement, so you can blow a bubble on the table, and then when it pops, you can measure the diameter. And so that gives you the maths and the dimensions of just practicing measuring. I do hand bubbles. Hand bubbles are fun. What else? Oh yeah, and then so as far as the science capabilities, I like to get them to draw a rainbow in the correct order, and so I give them the Roy G. Biv, our red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, and that gives you the rainbow, and that's also in the student booklet for Super Science Box number 2. Thank you.